guys, what's up? You guys see this man that is knocking here for me to buy pear. I've already bought to my husband, and I think I bought one of the finest ones. Actually, I bought 2 plates. I'll show you guys when I get home though. I bought 2 plates for 7,000 naira. A plate was about 3,500, you guys. Compared to when I went to K2 market and I chartered 25 pieces for how much? 6,000. I'd be 5,000. But anyways, I'm still in my recovery process. I just went to pick my babies from school and I'm taking them back home. I didn't go to the office today. What is that? They are a lot better than mommy. Clean your hands. When you get home, you clean your hands. That's why I don't like you to eat in the car. When you get home, you clean your hands, okay? Anyways, what I was saying is that what they call it, Kaito and Kaima, they're a lot better than myself. So I just, what they call it, worked from home today. I didn't go to the office. And I went to pick them. Kaima, don't do that. You guys, this is many days later and I'm fully recovered. You guys, my friend Chacha Baby is actually a caterer and she got ordered to cook for about 50 people this day, and her help left, so it was just left with only her. I had to bring Peace and myself. We just came in to actually help her, you know, set, because this order needed to be out of the house as soon as possible. And she just she did SOS call, and trust me, to zoom all the way to go and get my Chacha Baby rescued. But anyways, just watch our packing process and all. Chacha Baby makes the best jollof rice, the best fried rice, the best chicken. In fact, give it up to my Chacha Baby. Chow Chow Foods International. We quickly realized that the rice that she fried was not going to be enough, so I had to just get into the kitchen quickly and start frying more rice because we were under pressure. See the way I was sweating. This food needed to go. I like the fact that, you know, my friends can count on me to be there for them and I can do the same as well. So yeah, just enjoy this part of this vlog.
A few moments later. The next day.
now because of this thing. So Uso came to get me, and what they call it, just particularly because of Kaito, right? So apparently she got these very nice Crocs for Kaito for his birthday, and she said it came with some like Spider-Man studs and all, but she didn't know where she kept it. But she's found it for her godson, and you know, she's taking her time to fix it up. Choose wisely. Choose the godparents for your children wisely. You see that? All the effort just to make Kaito happy. I can imagine Kaito today, if he sees this Crocs with Spider-Man, he will start removing it in and looking at it and playing with it. He will be so excited. Let me show you guys. Oh wow! Hey, Kaito will go crazy. See them. Hey, this one was on his cake. See them. Perfect size. He does not wear another Crocs apart from this one. I said nobody is open. Now they have even put this thing. Nobody can put leg on this thing again. So fine.
A few moments later.
I had a decor job later that day, but I was not gonna stay. I just came in to see what my staff they were doing, and then I would soon head out. But by now, if you follow me on KK Events and Decor, you should see the outcome of the decoration already. My assistants, everybody was already here, and it was going smoothly. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? How you guys doing? You guys, look at this, my hair that I made, right? I don't know if it's just me, or in recent times a lot of people now don't know how to make hair without what they call it edge control, and I realized that it itches my hair a lot, brings out a lot of white stuff and all. So I got tired of, you know, if you want to part my hair neatly or if you want to part my hair, you must make it with edge control. And then found a lady that, you know, sent me someone that came to make my hair without edge control, and see how neatly, what they call it, this hair pattern is. Baby, you like it, Abby? Yeah. See how neat like the hair pattern is, and this hair has lasted for like 4 days now, and it's still very neat. And then you guys, look at my nails. I told myself I'm not going to fix nails for like what they call, let's say I'll leave for like 1 month, but I beg, as this nails just went off, I say let me head straight into fixing it. But anyways, it's myself and my husband today. We are running like a couple of errands together, doing a couple of things together, just to be dealing with, you know, we are not what's that called? We're not heading out, what they call it. But when I get home, I'm thinking that instead of tomorrow, I'm just going to make soup and some other things at home as well. But yeah, let's just keep going. You see why I am such an advocate of women, you know, doing other things to amplify themselves, amplify their purpose, amplify who they are, aside just marriage. Because I feel like the society already, the society where we live in already preps you, primes you for marriage at such a very young age. For women, you know, the highest level of achievement, you know, it just has to be marriage in this our society. Marriage, you know, starting your own family and all. Not to say that these things are not achievements, they are, but you know, in this our society, it's like the highest level of achievement, right? So from a young age, you are already being, you know, being prepared, being told, you know, get into your husband's house, start your own family. It gives you some level of prestige to become a Mrs., you know, have your own children and all of that, right? If you now get married to a wealthy person, it is like a plus applause, you know. So you see a lot of people and a lot of girls, you know, dropping their dreams, dropping their purpose, dropping their visions, just positioning themselves for the right man. Just then, if the man now comes with a lot of cash, with a lot of money, oh my God, that is such a plus. I mean, that is such a plus for, you know, I'm getting married at a young age. I'm getting married not even at a young age, because, you know, it's just a societal thing. I'm getting married and then my husband has money, and then I relax and just be an August wife, you know, and just, you know, my husband is the one that deserves to be blessed. I sit down in the morning, I wake up every day and I pray for God to bless my husband's business. Bless, like, I don't mean that you're not gonna pray, you are going to pray, but I sit down in the morning and I pray every day for God to bless my husband's business, my husband's what they call it, a job, you know. I'm fine, you guys. I'm in the office. I'm just packed in the office this morning, but I decided to actually do this video before I step in and start my day, right? I don't deserve to pray for myself. I am less ambitious because I got married to a wealthy man. I am less ambitious because, you know, I'm in my husband's house and I have children and all of that. Now, what even brings me to this topic is this Annie Dibia and Two-Face that has just been flying around left, right, center. And, you know, I'm getting to find out that, you know, Annie Dibia takes hard drugs. And in my head, I'm like, you must really not love yourself. Like, you must really not love yourself. Not even as a person, but even as a mother. Like, what's going to be making you take, why do you resolve to temporary substance, you know, to make yourself feel more relaxed, feel a lot better? That is when, you know, you feel so empty inside of you. Like, there's nothing else attached to you. There's nothing else you can do. There's no more value you can bring aside, you know, just being a wife to Two-Face, being a wife to Two-Face. And if things are not going the way you want in the marriage, you know, if your husband is not behaving the way you want him to behave in the marriage, you resolve to all of these substances for some level of comfort, for ease and all of that. See, I'll keep preaching to you people, marriage is good, marriage is beautiful, but do not stop finding yourself. Do not stop doing, like, I don't know, like, it does not have to end as Boma was Mr. Obichuk's wife and that was the end of it. There has to be more to me. There has to be more to me. I have to walk into a room and command respect aside my husband's title all over my head. Like, I see a lot of people just completely just, you know, wish for marriage. Marriage is the solution to their problems, and when they get into the marriage, they realize that they are still even empty, even as the marriage is going by. Maybe after the honeymoon, okay, 1 month, 2 months, and no, you realize that, okay, I'm still empty, you know, nothing has changed. Yes, I am now a Mrs. and all, but nothing has changed. I want more, I desire more. So please, I want to tell you something, and I want to warn you. If you are doing a business, if you see, as much as Two-Face is one of the biggest artists in Nigeria, right, apart from the little movies here and there, I don't know what Annie is known for. I don't know. Like, somebody please educate, just maybe let me know in the comment section. Apart from the little movies here and there, and that's one thing with women, like, you literally bend your backs so much for men. Like, they should break your back, climb your back to get to wherever they are going to. You think that you don't deserve the greatness, the money, the wealth, the riches that, you know, you pray, you so pray for your husbands to attain. You feel like you don't. I don't know why this is a topic on its own, and I think I'm gonna do a proper sit down video on this topic, because I see a lot, it's a trend, you know, for women to literally bend their backs, like be the ones in a place of sacrifice, bend their backs for their husbands to fly or for their boyfriends to fly. But anyways, let me head into the office and I will see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe, click into my channel, and you will not regret it here. I'll see you guys in my next video. I think I'm gonna do a proper video on this topic, so let's see how it goes. Hopefully when I get home I'm going to do that. But anyways guys,